I'd say that my codependency has hurt me more than my alcoholism, and that hurt a lot. Are you okay? Are you mad? Are you sure you're not mad? Are you mad at me? I know something's wrong. What's wrong? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Codependency. Well, what is it exactly? Well, basically, it's excessive psychological reliance on another person, often one who requires support due to dysfunction or addiction or illness. The joke goes, when a codependent dies, someone else's life flashes before their eyes. Codependency affects one's ability to enjoy healthy relationships. You know you're a codependent when, well, you'll send greeting cards saying, thinking of you, wishing you'd change. You have dinner with someone or marry someone because they asked. You couldn't say no. Your empathy prevents you from causing pain to others. You wish to spare them the pain that you have felt. You'd rather hurt yourself than them. You may want to discuss something, but you're afraid of getting a response that you're not going to like, so you hold it all in. You hold others in high esteem whether they deserve it or not. You trust too quickly. You're uncomfortable not living up to the goals of other people. Their displeasure depresses you. If you're a people pleaser, you tend to avoid conflict, even if it means abandoning your own perceptions and feelings. Your self-worth hinges on how others see you. You seek validation to feel good about yourself. You may even go to extremes to earn praise. You may scramble to fix broken relationships as you find it hard to bear the disapproval or anger or coldness of others, especially if you think it's directed at you. People-pleasing is tied to a fear of anger. Anger means, I'm not happy. And if your goal is to keep everybody happy, then their anger means that you failed. To avoid others' anger, you may rush to apologize even when you've done nothing wrong. You're happiest when everyone is happy, and your job is to get them to that happy place, even if it kills you. You have a clear picture of how others should behave, but also an exaggerated opinion of your power, influence, and responsibility. Lacking a strong sense of self, you tend to follow others rather than create your own path. You manage your anxiety by trying to control other people. Recovery and emotional growth happens by being mindful in the moment and by loving ourselves the way we want to be loved. Suggested affirmations for growth could be, I can handle the discomfort of knowing someone's unhappy with me. I have a sense of agency and can express my observations and opinions and emotions without fear of judgment. I can handle the discomfort of a difficult discussion. My opinion of myself is the one that matters. I'm able to sit with discomfort rather than react to it in an old destructive way that no longer serves me. I recognize that I am ultimately responsible for my own happiness. And when the dysfunctional energy zappers start sucking you back into their black holes, apply the 3 C's from Al-Anon, the program for families of addicts and also people who hook up with distractors. These are the 3 C's. I didn't cause it, I can't cure it, and I can't control it. It's not your imperfections that bother people. It's your feelings about your imperfections. If you're embarrassed and ashamed of yourself, it's going to come across in your communications. And most of us are put off by embarrassment, even when it's not our own. So If you have no shame, then you can't be shamed for who you are. It won't hurt or matter as much when you're being misunderstood. You can laugh instead of defend. I'd say take care of yourself, but self-care only works if you care about yourself. If you hate yourself, you probably won't take time being good to yourself. I mean, why would you be good to someone you hate? It's easier to eat healthy and exercise if you believe you're worth lasting a long time. If I catch myself insulting myself these days, I consider that child abuse, and I stop. I don't let me put me down anymore. There's no money in it. And I don't should on myself or others. He should, I should. Yeah. Stop shoulding. You'll be happier and less guilty. And you stop shoulding on others, you'll be 20% less resentful. Yeah, people don't do what they should do. Have you suffered because of it? Are you aware of it? Let me know if you are a codependent too. There's a meeting for that. I'm Hanala, Sagal. Take care. Peace and love.